Hello guys, I'm CJ from CJ Project 2020 and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special package. And it's from Hatsy Enterprise. For those who doesn't know Hatsy Enterprise, they are the first Filipino company that introduced the latest technology of smart home in the Philippines. You may check the link at my description box if you are interested. And thank you Hatsy Enterprise for sponsoring this video. So let's open the package. Okay, we have two products. The first one is the HomeKit Smart Universal Remote. And the second one is the HomeKit Power Strip. So let's unbox the product. The first one is the HomeKit Universal Remote. Inside the box is the remote, and it's so tiny. According to its box, it has a 360 degrees control, so you can place it anywhere as long as it can see your appliance. And I believe this remote can control any device that uses IR for its control. And it comes with a Type-C cable for charging, and a manual. Now let's see the next box. This is the Smart Power Strip. I like how Hatsy Enterprise make their packaging design clean and minimalist. It makes it very premium. At the side, it indicates individual socket control, no hub required, timer, voice control, and control anywhere. So let's open it. Okay, inside the box is the extension cord itself and the manual. So this is what it looks like, and it feels well built. Okay, so guys, we have the smart Wi-Fi extension and the Wi-Fi universal remote. For the meantime, we're just going to unbox it. We need to try it first, maybe 1 to 2 weeks before we review the item. We want to make sure that we make a fair review of this product. So guys, thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.